Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the fear or the hesitation which makes our mind blank when we try to speak. I got few messages saying that my mind goes blank whenever I try to speak in English. What to do? Well, today's lesson is all about this. This problem is common, believe me. So don't worry. Watch this video. You will get the answer of all your questions. So before we get started, one request. If you like my video, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Believe me, this problem is common. Whenever anyone, it happened to me also. When I started learning English and when I wanted to speak in front of anyone, I get confused. I don't know what to speak and my mind goes blank. So I have few ideas with me today to share with you all, and I'm sure these ideas will help you a lot. I have few amazing tips for you, and I guarantee you, if you follow these tips, or even if you follow one of the tips, you are going to get an amazing result and you will be far ahead from where you are today. So when your mind goes blank and you are unable to continue with the talk, you get scared, you get confused, your confidence level goes down and you want to quit. Remember one thing, quitters never wins and winners never quit. So don't give up. Tough time comes. It comes to make you or it wants to break you. So if you quit, you are gone. And if you continue, you will shine. So the first point I want to share with you is your hesitation. So when your mind goes blank and you are unable to talk, it is not because of your vocabulary, remember. It is only because you hesitate to talk in front of others. So just think, you are given a chance to talk in front of many people, that is in your mother tongue. You will be nervous? Yes, but it will be minimum because you know, you have the confidence that you can talk in your mother tongue. Whatever question been asked to you, you can answer. But when it comes to English, the mind is not ready to take it. Our mind gets puzzled. And there arises the hesitation. It is because you are not used to speaking in English. So stop hesitating. Take out the fear. Go out and talk. You may make mistake. People will laugh at you. But how many days they will laugh? Maybe 1 day, 2 days, a week, a month. But in this phase you are learning so many things. And your hesitation will slowly go away. Next comes habit. We all love to be in our comfort zone. Something which we don't like to do is out of our comfort zone. Remember, it's a mind game. Our mind always looks for the things which we do in our daily life. Something or anything which we do which is not in our daily life, the mind gets confused and we become uncomfortable. Trust me guys, if you can talk in your mother tongue, you can say the same thing in English also. Try it out. I'm giving you one example. आज मुझे school जाना है. Simple, right? Just think for a while and say, today I have to go to school. So, what you will do? It's not necessary you speak fast. You pause. Think for a while and then again talk. In that way, the mind will be ready. When I started learning English, I always wanted not to speak in English. Rather, I wanted to speak in my mother tongue or in Hindi. But one of my friends, he said, why don't you try speaking in English? From that time, my mind decided that yes, I will speak. I will speak in English. Let me make the mistake. And slowly it became my habit. I started speaking in English. I started learning more In this phase, when I started learning more, mistakes used to happen, but I used to correct myself then and there. Number 3 comes benefit. When your mind forces you to quit, before quitting, just think of the benefits you will get after you master the English language. When your communication skill increases, your confidence level increases, you get a boost in your personality. Remember, English is required nowadays. Believe me, wherever you go, English is very important. For any job interview, for any good colleges you want to take admission, there will be interviews, and those interviews will be in English, mostly. So just imagine, if you speak English well, your life will be so simple, right? All the tensions, all the hesitations will fly away. You can speak to anyone at any point of time. Remember, when you start practicing English, you will come across pain, you will come across obstacles. This pain are nothing, but this pain will help you to grow in life. It will help you to overcome the darkness of the pain. And one more thing, the gain is always bigger than the pain. But to receive that gain, you have to overcome the pain. Simple way to overcome the pain is to practice regularly. That's all. If you're alone, don't hesitate. Talk to yourself. I told in many videos, I'm telling the same thing again. Mirror will be your best friend. Close the door, keep talking to the mirror. Take up any topic in this planet and just start talking. Let me share with you few points, few topics which you can discuss with yourself. Got it? Another one thing which I used to do, maybe it may sound odd, it may sound strange. At night, I used to go to my roof and just look into the sky. I used to talk to the stars. It was an amazing experience, guys. Believe me, you can also try this. Talk slow, but talk clearly. There might be a time when you would like to talk to your mother tongue after 2 or 3 sentences. No, don't do that. Stop for a while, pause for a while, think in your mind, and keep talking in English. Another way, what I used to do is that I used to read some topics. Okay, suppose love. So I used to write down something, few lines, and then I used to read that. Once done, I keep that note beside, and I used to on my camera. Okay, I'll keep the camera and I will stand in front and I will be talking. Okay, in that case what happens? I will be able to record how I am talking, what is my body language, etc. So this is a magical thing, you can do that. Okay, you all have a camera, mobile phone, right? In the mobile you can record it. Just keep the camera and keep talking any topic. In that way you get the benefit of understanding yourself, how you're talking, how is your pronunciation, how is your accent, and also your body language. If you want to make correction, you can make correction very easily. Finally, we come to practice. When you practice with all your heart, the whole universe comes to your rescue. The whole universe helps you. You will find things are getting easier day by day. So practice is must. Don't give up. Don't think today is Sunday or tomorrow is my rest day. No. At least 10 to 15 minutes every day you practice, and you see at the end of the month what all changes you can make in your life. So I end here today. I wish you all the best. Fir milenge.